Hello again. It's Crispy the Christmas Elf. I made a list of all the things that I love about Christmas. Laughter, snow, candy canes, colorful lights, Santa Claus, elves, reindeer, snowmen, sleigh bells, presents, giving and receiving, don't be greedy, love, cookies, nutcrackers, sugar plums, Christmas trees, stockings, garland, and most importantly, Merry Christ for giving the birth of Jesus. Season's greetings.